Fluffy pancakes. Ingredients: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon salt, 3/4 cup milk. You can use buttermilk for extra fluffiness. 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons unsalted butter, melted 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional but adds great flavor. Butter or oil for greasing the pan. Instructions: in a large mixing bowl, whisk together the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt until well combined. In a separate bowl, whisk together the milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract, if using, until thoroughly mixed. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and gently stir until just combined. It's okay if there are a few lumps. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes. Preheat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat. You can test if the pan is ready by sprinkling a few drops of water onto it. If the drops sizzle and evaporate, it's ready. Lightly grease the skillet with butter or oil. You can use a paper towel to spread it evenly. Pour 1/4 cup of the pancake batter onto the skillet for each pancake. Use the back of a spoon or a ladle to spread the batter slightly into a round shape. Cook the pancakes for about 2-3 minutes or until bubbles start to form on the surface. Once the edges look set, carefully flip the pancakes with a spatula and cook for an additional 1-2 minutes on the other side until they are golden brown and cooked through. Transfer the cooked pancakes to a plate and cover them with a clean